Hi, parents. My name is Jenny Lee, and I'm a psychology and empowerment specialist for youth. Welcome to the Parenting Compass, your trusted guide to navigating the challenges and opportunities of parenting in today's digital age. Today, we're diving into an important question. Is YouTube safe for kids? YouTube is one of the most popular platforms in the world, and it's not just for adults. Kids love it too. But as much as YouTube offers educational and entertaining content, it also comes with risks like inappropriate videos, ads, and interactions with strangers. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of YouTube for kids, share research-backed insights, and provide actionable tips to help you manage your child's YouTube use safely. Let's get started. Why parents should be concerned about YouTube. YouTube is a massive platform with over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, according to Statista. While there's a wealth of child-friendly content, there's also a lot of material that isn't suitable for young viewers. Statistics to consider. A Pew Research Center study found that 81% of parents with kids under 12 allow them to watch YouTube. However, 61% of those parents reported seeing content that was inappropriate for their child. The risks include exposure to violent or explicit content, unmoderated comment sections, and targeted advertising. But with the right strategies, you can help your child enjoy YouTube safely. The pros and cons of YouTube for kids. Pros. 1. Educational content. Channels like National Geographic Kids and Crash Course offer engaging, educational videos on a wide range of topics. 2. Entertainment. Kids can enjoy fun, age-appropriate content like craft tutorials, toy reviews, and animated stories. 3. Creativity and learning. Some kids are inspired to create their own videos, which can enhance creativity and tech skills. Cons. 1. Inappropriate content. Even with safeguards, kids might stumble upon videos that are not age-appropriate. 2. Ads and commercialism. Many videos include ads which may not always align with your family's values. 3. Unmoderated interactions. Comment sections can expose kids to cyberbullying or inappropriate messages. How to make YouTube safer for your kids. Let's explore actionable steps you can take to make YouTube a safer experience for your children. 1. Use YouTube Kids for younger viewers. YouTube offers a separate app called YouTube Kids, designed specifically for children under 12. Features of YouTube Kids. Curated content. Videos are screened to ensure they're age-appropriate. Parental controls. Set screen time limits, approve specific channels, and block unwanted videos. How to set it up. 1. Download the YouTube Kids app. Create a child profile and customize settings like age range and approved content. 3. Use the approved content only mode to ensure your child can only watch videos you've selected. Challenge. Some parents feel YouTube Kids is too restrictive for older kids. In that case, consider supervised use of regular YouTube with parental controls in place. Number 2. Enable restricted mode on regular YouTube. For older kids who prefer the main YouTube app, restricted mode helps filter out inappropriate content. How to enable it? Go to Settings in the YouTube app or website. Select Restricted Mode and toggle it on. Tip: restricted mode isn't foolproof, so it's best paired with regular monitoring and open communication. 3. Monitor screen time and set limits. It's easy for kids to lose track of time on YouTube, so setting clear limits is essential. How to manage screen time. Use built-in features like YouTube's Time Watch to track usage. Establish screen-free zones like the dining table or bedtime. Set daily or weekly time limits through apps like Google Family Link or Apple Screen Time. Case example: I worked with a family whose 10-year-old spent hours watching gaming videos. By setting a 2-hour daily limit and encouraging outdoor play as an alternative, they found a healthier balance. Number 4. Teach your kids to spot red flags. Kids should know how to identify and handle inappropriate content or interactions. What to teach them? Recognize harmful content. Videos with violent, scary, or overly commercial themes are a no-go. Avoid clickbait. Teach them to avoid sensational titles like, "You won't believe this." Ignore comments. Encourage them not to engage with comments or chat sections. Role-playing example. Ask your child, what would you do if a video made you uncomfortable? Practice responses like, "I would stop watching and tell an adult." 5. Co-watch and engage with their interests. Watching YouTube together allows you to monitor content while building trust and understanding. How to do it? Dedicate time to co-watch their favorite channels. Ask questions like, "What do you like about this video?" or "What did you learn?" Research insight. Studies from Pew Research Center show that kids are more likely to follow online safety rules when parents actively participate in their screen time. 6. Use ad-free options, like YouTube Premium ads can be a source of inappropriate content or unwanted pressure to buy products. Subscribing to YouTube Premium eliminates ads entirely. Additional benefit: Premium allows downloads for offline viewing, which can be a great option for trips or screen-free zones. Addressing common challenges. What if my child resists restrictions? Explain that these measures are about safety, not control. For example, "We're setting up these rules so you can enjoy YouTube without worrying about bad content." What if they stumble upon inappropriate content despite safeguards? Use it as a teaching moment. Say, "I'm glad you told me. Let's talk about why that video wasn't okay and how to avoid similar ones in the future." What if I'm not tech-savvy? Many tools like YouTube Kids and parental control apps are user-friendly. Don't hesitate to ask your child to help set up these features. It can be a bonding experience. So is YouTube safe for kids? The answer is, it depends on how it's used. With the right safeguards and active involvement, YouTube can be a valuable resource for learning and entertainment. To recap: 1. Use YouTube Kids for younger viewers and enable restricted mode for older ones. 2. Monitor screen time and set clear limits. 3. Teach your kids to spot and handle red flags. 4. Co-watch their favorite channels to ensure content is appropriate. 5. Consider ad-free options like YouTube Premium for a safer, smoother experience. Thank you for watching The Parenting Compass. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. Together, we can make the digital world a safer and more enriching place for our kids. See you next time.